Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error 128. So let's get started. Now for the first method, go to the Windows search bar and then look for control panel. After that, select programs where uninstall a program, and from here you want to search for Riot and then right click and uninstall the program. For the second step, search for services. Once this pop up, just select anyone and type in V in your keyboard. Now look for VGC, double click and then go to the startup type and switch it from manual to automatic. After that, you need to start the service, so select start in order to switch it from stop to running, then select apply and OK. Now go to the search again and type in system configuration. From here go to services, which is the third tab, select hide all Microsoft services, then look for VGC and make sure it is running by checking the box. After that, select apply and OK again. Now for the last method, go to the search, type in CMD, after that select run as an administrator. Make sure to type net space winshock space reset, select OK, select enter. After that, type ipconfig space // DNS and select enter again. After that, type ipconfig space / release and select enter. Once you do that, just type ipconfig space / renew and select enter again. And lastly, you need to type net space int space ip space reset and select enter. Now after you run all the commands, you need to close everything and just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.